Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you a fault in my Super General washing machine. It is a top load automatic washing machine, and you can see I have done some work in it. Some problem is there, but I have resolved that problem. This is of the brand Super General SGW620, and it is a very good washing machine. You can see its top load and its water consumption is very good. And if its water consumption is low, then automatically its detergent or the powder like washing powders consumption is also very low. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel because this channel needs your help. The problem was that if I have plugged in my power supply in the electricity, it will not show any power. As I have plugged in the power and I am pressing this power button, no use. Any button is not working, not single one. Then I changed the power supply cable. As you can see, there is the cable, and I changed it. There you can see some joint, and I changed the cable, but it was also okay. And I also checked of the resistance from the cable to this power panel, but it was okay. There was no problem. You can see that this panel is open. I have removed the screws, and you can see it's inside. These are some buttons. This is the electric supply, and these are some buttons inside it. And this is the wire gone to the capacitors and the buzzers. So this is the button of power. You know, if I'm pressing it from here, it is working. It's working. It means that the connection between the top cover and this panel is not okay. I checked the connection between this power button and this cover. The that was not okay. You can see this is the power. This is the power one. If you can see like this. This is the power, and this power button is just tilted, and it is this power button is not fixed with that red button. So I will just make this power button I will give a tape or any type of solution. I will find it out for you. What I have done here is I put around this button tape, a tape, so that it is not, we cannot glue that button with this clip, because we have to switch it on and switch it off that button. So it is impossible to glue it. If you glue it, then it will be switched on always, and we don't want it. We want only a cover or a tape. You can put any type of cover and any type of like material which is gluey, and you can put around it, and it will now the red button will be inside it, and it will be not going anywhere here and there. As you can see, I have put a tape or a gluey substance or a cover. You can put a sleeve also here. Here you can see that I put a sleeve on it. So this sleeve will help the button not to go here and there, and it will be helpful in operation. Now you can see this is working. You can change the function, and you can switch it on like this. You can again switch it off, switch on, and you can spin it. There are many functions in this washing machine. It is very helpful, and do buy for your family. And this is very good washing machine. I will recommend all of you, as the women's would be very thankful. Thank you very much, and stay tuned. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.